section 5.8, part 3. Continuing with long division, we need to check to make sure that everything is in order and that we aren't skipping over any terms. P squared, P constant, they're in order and there's nothing skipped. P to the first power, constant, everything's there, nothing is skipped. Now we're going to set up our long division. P plus 6 divided into P squared plus 2P plus 20. Okay. Concentrate on your first terms. What do we need to multiply the P by to get a P squared? Well, P times P is P squared, so I need to multiply it by another P. Again, I'm lining up my like terms. We take this and distribute it. P times P is P squared. P times 6, 6P. Change both of your signs. And now let's add. First term cancels out as it should. 2 minus 6 will be a negative 4P. And then we bring down the plus 20. Repeat. I want this P to become a negative 4P. So I need to multiply it by a negative 4. Be careful with your signs here. I need to distribute the negative 4 through here. Negative 4 times P is negative 4P. Negative 4 times 6 is negative 24. Let's change both of our signs and combine them. This cancels. 20 plus 24 is 44. This is my remainder. Okay, so how do we write our answer when we have a remainder? We do P minus 4, which is the quotient from the top, plus 44 over what we are dividing by. This is your answer. Remember in the first video how I said that this is the same as this? With numbers, we don't have to write the plus sign. In algebra, we do. Okay. This is especially important to not use your division bar like this. And the reason for this is because it can very easily look like 44 over P and then a plus 6 off to the side. And if that plus 6 looks like it slipped out from underneath the fraction, it's going to be wrong. Okay, now let's check this one. I'm going to do P plus 6 times P minus 4. And then I'm going to add my remainder, 44. And after I do all this, I should get this top value back. Remember, multiplication comes before addition in order of operations, so I need to distribute here. P times P is P squared. P times negative 4, negative 4P. 6 times P, it's going to be plus 6P. I'm lining up my like terms to make it easier. 6 times negative 4 is negative 24. And then I have all of this plus 44. Let's combine like terms here. P squared plus 2P minus 24 plus 44. Negative 24 plus 44 is 20. P squared plus 2P plus 20.